Hello, I'm your teacher Marti, and in this video I'm gonna tell you about uses of preposition by, for, and to. Let's begin from preposition by. So I'm gonna tell you 5 useful uses of by. The first one, by indicates donor. Let me give you example sentence here. This book is written by her. By her refers donor. Let's see the second use of by. It is by indicates point of time. Let's say I go to school by 2 o'clock. So, by 2 o'clock refers point of time. Now let's see the third use of preposition by. It refers way of traveling. Example sentence. She goes by train. By train refers way of traveling. Let's see the third use of preposition by. It is by indicates near. There's a sea by the town. By the town indicates near. And let's see the last use of preposition by. By indicates by means of. Let me give you example sentence here. You may send a letter by post. By post indicates by means of something. Now let's see uses of preposition for. The first use of preposition for is it indicates point of time. Let me give you example sentence here. She has been writing a poem for 5 days. For 5 days refers point of time. The second use of preposition for is it indicates for something or for person. Example sentence. He gave his pen for her. For her refers for person. Let's see the third use of preposition for. Preposition for indicates because of. Let me give you example sentence. They turned away for fear. For fear refers because of. Now, let's see the fourth use of preposition for. Preposition for refers in spite of. Example sentence. For all of his range, he is not happy. For all of his range refers in spite of. Let's see the fifth use of preposition for. Preposition for indicates in comparison to. Let me give you example sentence here. You look so young for your age. So, this sentence shows in comparison to. Now, let's see the last use of preposition for. Preposition for indicates in exchange of something. Let me give you example sentence here. What will I pay for this t-shirt? So, this sentence shows in exchange of something. Now, let's move to the use of preposition to. Preposition to refers movement towards. Example sentence. He is going to the library. Going to the library refers movement towards. The second use of preposition to is it refers infinitive. When you say infinitive, to plus base form of the verb. Let me give you example sentence here. I like to read. So, to read refers infinitive. Now let's see the third use of preposition to. To refers purpose. Let me give you example sentence here. I am going to school to learn. To learn here refers purpose. Let's see the next use of to. To refers time. Let's see example sentence here. It is 5 to 3. Now let's see the next use of to. To refers until. Example sentence. He works from dawn to dusk. This sentence refers until. Now let's see the next use of to. To refers indirect object. Let me give you example sentence here. Give it to me. This sentence refers indirect object. So, it's all for today's video about preposition for, by, and to. I hope you liked the video, so like, share, and leave your comments. And don't forget to subscribe. Practice more. I'm your teacher Marti. See you next time, and bye for now.